Hello and welcome. I'm Jason. Let's look at the RT sound in Gaelic. Let's decode it. So, I have three words here, and they're pronounced probably in two different ways. So first, let's figure out what they mean. Jamarsh, well, that would be Tuesday. Kjarsht, if you've seen my videos, you know, it's like correct or right. And then, bjarstach, that's rich or wealthy. Okay, so looking at this RT, it can sound like there's a sh in there. Kjarsht. Oh, Jamarsht. Right, Jamarsht. Same down here. Kjarsht. Bjarstach. Bjarstach. Kjarsht. Jamarsht. And it's this invisible sound in there because there aren't any letters representing it. So that's in one dialect would say Kjarsht. Kjarsht, Jamarsht, and Bjarstach. Now, just because we want a little variation, the SH sound can actually leave. So this can be just Jamart, Kjart, Bjartach. Yeah. So I remember from the Isle of Islay, people would say Kjart, Jamart. That was a feature of Argyll Gaelic, if I remember correctly. Gleva. So, there's a small difference between these two ways. Maybe it has a SH, a sh in it, or maybe it's just ert. Jamart, or Jamarsht, Kjarsht, or Kjart, or Bjartach, or Bjarstach. It's really up to you how you say it. In my experience, you'll hear that sh in it more often. Maybe I've just come across those types of speakers. You'll never be wrong if you say Jamarsht, or Kjarsht, or Bjarstach. Just be aware that sometimes that sh can leave. Okay, that's the RT sound in Gaelic. Gleva. Thanks for joining me.